Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Aye, mina, yes, of course. Nina mbedle, yeah, Jainito, my baba jaro climb bacha, tanuna chiti, imanimi amugalaka, the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Ambokwata, yay, walaba, awlabi. Itasuku, yawena, imanimi amugalaka, the only channel that matters to watch. I want us to listen to the recording here, Canicee and Mthimbani. And before you start the recordings, let in lava, you will have so remember, your best friend is someone's enemy. The reason why that person usually is mostly is your best friend is because maybe you have a common enemy or and those people that you are talking about, they think that person is the worst human being ever to ever exist. So each and every human being in a mona, in a jealous, same applies to Mthimbani, same applies to Canicee, same applies to even Promed, the same applies to even Rico, same applies to me, same applies to Wayne. So munu one in Mbilu, he has the bad side of him. Like when you think about that person, it will not papelanga de paper. Cool, right? So if Mthimbani attracted you through art, don't be discouraged as a fan to support him because of what you heard. Because those recordings, whoever released them was releasing them to show you who this guy is. So if you're attracted to his art, stay to his art. Love his art. Enjoy his art. If you think what he said here is wrong, love his art. If we're offending Canicee and you love Canicee, all right, even if you think whatever happened here, Canicee is on the wrong side, because these are exposed conversations. He was saying it to a friend of him, and that friend of him exposed them. Whether they agreed or not, it's immaterial. But never ever lose your support to his art because of whatever you know them personally. And in most cases, we always say, don't expose your personality to these people. Show them the craft, leave them. Right? So never ever because of this. So this audio let's go. Namunhla senibozo kabo ne wakhohlola
but then here's the thing. Last on phone on outside the venue, and I've replied as a brother to brother. And logo ninga kutsini kunia hostela kweni abo reason abo susama ka process wabona. And when after that utsuma watsala kumthunzi tlha u endla na poster fast ku ri mena ku senta vulavula hi Mthunzi ku vanhu va ta ku mena ku sala ndzhaku mena ku lwisa mena ku jelazela me and stuff bla bla bla. That's what you are doing vele na le ka ti-track u endla sweswo wa gegagega loko hi responda va ri hina ku jelazela mhakwile ku trendeni what yingisela fo nte mhaka ku
so loko a ku wagegagega yingisela risimu rin'wana ra No Excuse ra Canicee ka album ya I Trippin. He says kuna Vatsonga king what trip king Vatsonga what and scientific blah blah blah, those kind of things. So Mthimbani is referring to that. That's hip hop, man. Hip hop is not about massaging people. So if you catch the smoke. You know, like the way Canicee moves, you should be competing with people like Sign Free. Yeah, because they do trap together. I think they are the leading trap stars, gagas. So, but you can't compete with him, but no ways.
ungateka advantage ya ku majita lama ma nga khoma la Mthunzi ya le bush se va nyiketela we i ta endla mali la ka hina wa twisisa ene sweswo a swi nge tirhi wa twisisa you have to go back u ya hosta a bush u still ka 2 times ku supporting.
So those are limitations. Like le ka hina swi nge tirhi. It's very skewed. It's a very bad comment from Mthimbani for him to say le ka hina. Yeah, le ka n'wina because u kulele kwalaho, u tswariwe kwalaho, tshama kwalaho. So does that mean that we shouldn't come do business there? Kuna mazimbabwe le va cela ku tigolide phalavora, kuna makula ku vula ka ye Canicee as the recording goes on. There's a lot of people that are in like business there. Why only Canicee? And there are a lot of people who are hosting events there. But why is he chasing after Canicee? That's a question we should answer.
Supporting the way we can, we did our best to support. On top of that, we travel the price, and I never complained, not even to put it on social media. I kept it because I'm not a bitch. Want to say, chance na inabidi mandao ipota ku hosta. Want to say, any chance inabidi mandao na ipota ku hosta.
So that thing of any chance na inabidi mandao ipota ku hosta is skewed because why don't you host? Host anywhere. Because even now Canicee didn't host him Tuesday. Why didn't you host in Epic? I mean, you hosted in Epic. Now you can host anywhere. Just host anywhere. Like just find a person who wants to do business with you. Host. Because this sense of chasing an individual is not fair. Like it's not fair at all. But let's go on. So I was speaking to a friend of mine the other day, and I said to him, "Look, it doesn't mean kuna kolota. Of course, no moon. I mean, no moon. I will also. Oh, okay. He came through. I must come through. If I have means to come through, if he needs my help, I'll always be there. That's a friendship. But let's show you support in any chance because I want to let you quit na logun supportana. Uyalisa emani ku achieve leswi u nga na swona wena.
No, that's not gonna work. Don't forget, this is my place.
Le South Africa la.
If you push it, if you don't stop your event or push, your event won't be successful. So nikombela stop event yawe putile ta poster yawe or else majitala mele push yale Mthunzi is better vibe ifala erithuwe nga host at all than kuwe uta enda mali la. Want to say you support wabuya futhi wa block inabala kaya ku inanga host. Want to say so nikombela kumuntu ucancela event yawe na nika chance host angoba nga host mina ku host one as long as wala phalabula.
Yo.
As long as ku jamu wala kaya. Sifana na loko government kumbe masipala bo humesa titenda ta contract. Kumbe ku atira vanhu vale ku sport ku tira vala kaya ku tholiwa vala kaya ku sungula. Want to say so nikombela ku event yawe yi stopanya.
Canicee is running his own business. He's not a government. He's not there to give people back. He's there to do business, to enrich himself. And if there are people who are going to benefit along the way, that's how business is about. If now they enter YouTube channel, so I'm doing it for myself. That's the first thing. So if you are going to come to my interview and then get exposure, you maybe do my stuff like that, is you are, by the way, you are no longer my main goal. I'm not there to give back. If you are, yes, these kinds of complaint, you must complain to the ANC government that they give 70% here in Lipumbu. Simple as that. You can't say it's like you can't compare government and Mthuzi. Mthuzi is not like a government institution or a government run place. Not a government thing. Yes, there must be some form of intervention by the municipality, but you cannot do that. You cannot compare the two.
If Sungabi indlela leyo, you must never forget kunale kamen kome power in remember ukwenza into kushera susa west.
Yo.
Recognize the power that I have on top of you.
Yo. On top of you.
Please, because okay, well, Mr. Sungo, man, so we gega, so kunabo king, utonga inembo king, nabo makandlela, we gega, even like we respond, I retaliate, abakunan, akulwisa, akujela zela and stuff. Kumbela kuinika chance, you host na inabala kaya, please.
If you listen to the end of this voice note, you can tell that he was not alone there. He was with his crew. He was listening. His complaint was Canicee is not picking up his calls. So he wanted Canicee to give him attention, and then he ended up recording. So as you listen to this voice note, Canicee says, "Antigua owned by viewers." Meaning, Canicee's intention was to make sure this thing should to Ivan. So it doesn't matter whether it was close friends or outside his close friend. That's why he recorded this voice note Mthimbani. Voice note Mthimbani was supposed to be viewed once. So it means Canicee has two phones, or whoever he was with Nayan recorded Mthimbani, recorded that voice. That's why if you look at it there, that phone, it says, if you look at the charts, Yeri forwarded. Voice note Mthimbani was forwarded. Meaning recorded from someone else and then forwarded it to the the third person. So that voice note is not coming from the audio Mthimbani from WhatsApp. It was recorded via a voice over, or you just record without you going to WhatsApp, you record and leave it there. So it was recorded with another phone and then sent to Canicee. Let's go with Canicee's VN.
This video is brought to you by Bakandle Burial Group. For information, contact or WhatsApp us at 064 7555 674. info@vakandlegroup.co.za. That's our email. Bakandle Group, we are family.
Like you just said, Kukalaka voice not dead, and I'm going to go in his and I won't buy you once, and to so wife and won't buy you once. I could record the last straight, man. Yeah, I'm busy in Monwastrat, and when you go busy, go for that's why.
So, mark the way they're going to Monwastrat. It's a song that says Monwastrat. It's even the name of a song, Monwastrat. He trying to show him go, I'm very busy, I'm hustling. And he said in a lingo that suits hip hop. I'm on the road, I'm hitting the streets. Yeah, so it's kind of jibbing at him, you know. So I'm like, busy, man, busy, man. I'm busy with my work. I'm always on the streets chasing money, kind of vibe. Yeah, I'm not sure, but he's lying. The reason why he recorded this voice note, he wanted this to be evident so that you have something tangible. Why I record the voice over Mthimbani?
Most of the things that you're just saying there, I feel like was out of
anger. And Canicee 7 minutes. So Mthimbani 3 minutes. So marloka zavula so lutsa kahle kata kuye ngifiki la obo so irisula la Mbilu ya lunya Mbilu ya ukwati ngicha kusivula. So it doesn't Mbilu ya lunya Mbilu akusunga. I think we have discovered that from his voice note. Ngicha kusivula, he's trying to show you all of this time you think I'm scared of you, I'm trying to hide this fight between you and I kunokuchaba wena. And like I won't chabis. That's what he's trying to tell Mthimbani.
ephalabura ntantayenza tisho nokunike chance uhosta kambe usonero kanje tisho brana
swa ku sungnerini ku endla tishow ebrame swi irrelevant hambi hi nga n'wi vutisa ku sungnerini ku endla tishow irrelevant.
oh brana loko ni rikhola grandship show ya ku sungula leyi u nga yi endla it's 31 August right ni endle 3 ya tishow me so far show ya 1 ya me ya December Canicee one man show leyi nga ku vita u tala ebush ta perform ni endla yin'wana ya Canicee and Canicee with friends i-testa market kokwala parabol loko ni cheka before that show you guys told me where Rico can attest to that ufini kokwala na kuna ti-event people are hungry for events ndawo leyi endliwaka ti-event ntsena ile hlolo I was like okay sharp let me come and test the market where I think loko ku wa kokwalana and ku right if una 20 years utshama kokwalana kumbe una 30 years utshama kokwalana Mbilu kokwalana u right and for sure utshama kokwalana by blood mara ka 30 years liya kumbe 35 years liya utshama kokwalana was not tshama na siku na rin'we swi hleketa ku yena u loko endle show kokwalana yo tame ni fika ni endle show ni test market kokwalana Mthunzi ivi swi endla right u swi vona swa ku swi endlini ni endla yin'wana ya 2 u swi vona swa ku okay sharp swi endlini now when I jack okay sharp let me do ya me ya ti 31 that time no message poster before so I like the show kwala Mthunzi ne yakala ayikala venue mara you knew kuntaendla kokwala Mthunzi u message poster wena loko khuluma ku beach I would say ku leswi nga swi endla i swo swa vusati you didn't even call me to say Ntwana I want to do an event at 31 original.
Much leswi ngo Canicee eMchangani street instead of say you are the beach ya tiva swa ku na loko when you say someone is a beach swi disrespectful but you say hi swo swa vusati but it's worse because now swi ta hi Changani ku ri or Mthimbani n'wansati
Mina vone e poster ya humesile hi 31 u la ku endla Mthunzi kumbe kwina you thought what you thought ku loko suka na humesa Mthunzi okay shakusona wamwe yanga Mthunzi ka event at 31 is because you knew kumeni endla Mthunzi I territory ya mela nendla ka go right then fine usuka wayenze epic
the way the territory is very important I territory ya yena Mthunzi Canicee
khansela show ya mela ya mkhulu Mthunzi ni move na ku case fine ndakwini ndayenze bush nobulala you can attest to that nobulala Chris that time I've been talking to Chris each and every day Chris Mthimbani yenza show
sudo
31
Chris organizer yale Mthunzi it means he works under PT Mhlanga so yeah
can't do another show na me 31 because sister divide our leshka it's fine let's move my event to the 16th of December I can show you my charts akale brame you conclude agana Chris okay sharp grand sharp 16 December it is ulala na Mhlanga yesitsika namhlanga ngabulala namhlanga because Mhlanga is a businessman I'm uthama arle Mthunzi ulwa enhlaka social Mthunzi Chris okay sharp Chris I've been talking to Chris nomzela okay sharp yendlen poster ya khale leso sikhuluma so mina nenhle poster it's money poster that's why I'm saying
again this is irrelevant for him to say nina blah blah na Chris poster le ya khale you don't have to prove anything you got access to the place just go to your event there is no need for this but this was to prove to Mthimbani I did everything maybe by means I did mangata ku loko ni endla swilo fast ni va ni chava wena a ni ku chavi wena
so vulavula hi mbilu yin'wana ya ku biha brame nge cha ku hlaya loko ro ta yingisela u ri one voice note leswi kahle u ta swi twa kahle swi ni moya wa ku loya exikarhi a swi endliwi brame swi sweleswo u ri ni maka njhani ni tsutsuma
leswi swa ku swi ni moya wa ku loya exikarhi a swi endliwi sweswo brame that's his opinion but la ku nga na ku humelela ku na malala ku na tinyimpi to tala so Mthimbani ni n'wi soli honestly speaking to be honest I don't blame Mthimbani if you see someone coming to your home and do well, wala or ko nga swi voni, you'll be like, I mean, I want to do well. So Mbilu ya jealous li yena ange yi voni, and even his close friends won't tell him. But Mbilu li go, how? Someone from Bush ta endla mali la. Let us do it ourselves. We don't need to be booked by him. We can do it. And this is loko xi ku na ni tshemba ku ta yingisela ri one xa swi tiva ku a nga one because voice note liya Mthimbani loko a yi send a nga ri one.
nene ya posta loko ni ku fonela ku fonele u cheat ne a swi nga bohi swa ni fonela ku ngwenya ni vona u poste ala u ku December ku endle show u ya endla kwini show ya wena u ku we epic mun'wana le epic i ku judgile epic because i vone ku u ni market i lava ku ta ti endlela show a wu se na swi tiva swa ku show ya wena endla rini ni kumbe loko yi endla rini na u ya endla kwini ni kumbe loko yi endla rini na u ku ti 21 ta December no ku cash up a wu le ka loudspeaker Zimba was there that's why ni ku faka loudspeaker because a ni lava ku va ni munhu na tisolo swa wena ka ku recordanga ta
Se mangvona leswaku rikhoda vanhu swa ye Mthimba swa ku khiva ti-voice note mfalo swa ye Canicee swi loko na Canicee swi fanele swi twa ku loko rhikhodiweni otherwise ta tinyela. So dzimba i xipukupuku xin'wanyana xa mpandla xa ha ri jaha na mukhava mara I forgot this company name, but what gosh, I forgot it. Yeah, but I know him through Golden Stars Awards, and then from there we've been talking ever since. Yeah, but he's more management. Yeah, these things are part time staff. Yeah.
unless wa ku va ku ri ni munhu loyi a nga ta swi twa ku ni vulavule na we u ku we u ta yi endla hi ti 21 loko cash up mi ta yi endle mthunzi hi ti 16 u ku yi hi ti 16 mthunzi lexi mina ha lavalave ndhawu didn't you say that u ku ha lavalave ndhawu okay grandshop ni pfuka ka ni conclude mina ku right since u ha lavalave ndhawu let me book the artist ta me because December na 31 days I don't understand why are you pity with only one day they need the out of 31 days.
So 31 days open, 31 days, not 1 to 2. Let's say end of November, beginning of December, and then to 16, and then to 23 to 25, and then to 28 to 31. So 21 days open.
December na 31 amasiku ungayenze show iti 1 iti 2 iti 3 iti 16 iti 31 it doesn't matter ku auto choose ku endla siku rini kumbe ku endla kwini sweswo leswi swi lavi mina me I'm doing my business loko ku menta ni ta endla tishow kwalani leswaku yini a ni wa kona musicacani makula lama xavisaka ku kwala Phalabura makula lawa a ya le Phalabura
Point.
sungurisa vanhu lava xavisaka spa lava nga tisa spa va nga tisa mall because a va le Phalabura they saw my market and come to Phalabura va ta xavisa
Point.
vanhu lava sungula ku caca vanhu lava va nga ni mayeni le kokwala le va tirhaka ko vanhu va kokwala Phalabura loko menta ni ta teka mali ePhalabura I booked you I paid you
Point.
I booked Xipoko I paid him
Ungahakela mali leyitsongo Mthimbani.
Phalabura and paid them so I don't understand ku loko ku meni ta ni ta teka mali and when wa nga swi hleketanga khale ku endle tishow khale u ni mali leyi ma nga no tshame Phalabura u swi na tshama u endle show but because I came there I feel like you are so bitter ku ni show ya ti 28 ta September mi se lo endla ka show ya le Phalabura u yile we msaka nga endli show
Yo.
there's a lot of people who come to show lava ta endle ti show did you go to them msaka when va nga endli ti show brame imbila kuloya sweswo but you saying una power ne then use that power brame if you feel like that power would work for you use that power block ti show kumbe endla yina ne Steve mina nta 46th ta December I'm coming for that day ani endli ti show every day December me I'm coming for that show nta endla show ya me I nge stop do what you do ani Steve uta stick to which level matter whichever level that you want to take it to we'll go there is fine me I'm coming there to do business just like other business people who are coming there to do business thank you
I love it loko vanhu avalwi and see where it's going to end. Ani va rhandza tinyimpi vona. But in overall, let's be honest guys, without fear of favor, without fear of contradiction, without being close to any of these people, what Mthimbani is doing is wrong. Let's put it that way. It's wrong. You can't want to limit people because they're in the same genre with you. They're doing hip hop, and people wazama kuti hanyisa, like everyone is zama kuti pandela, bruh. Host your events, especially December has like many peak dates that you can choose from. So, but let's see another solar anna marito yo Mbilu ya vuloyi ani a ni nyikiwanga matimba yo determine ku vuloyi byi njhani swilo swi njhani. But anyways me ni huma hikwala, all I can say i ku what Mthimbani is doing is wrong. The worst thing that Canicee did, leswi hi swo a va ta swi vula vubichi, i swa ku a lava ku conversation leyi yi va out to the public. What are you trying to prove to the public? Who are you trying to diminish in the public? Because you know what, when someone is planning to expose something, you go, if I record you on a call, I'm going to speak so nice, I'm going to make sure that I say good things, right? So that's why they recorded him as well. So they were aware of these issues. Bye bye.